The overall goal of this experiment is to determine how past and future increases in atmospheric carbon dioxide affect grassland ecosystem productivity, water balance, and carbon cycling. The study includes monitoring the effect of carbon dioxide on different soil types.
Our experiment can help answer key ecological questions on the impacts of climate change on grasslands, including their potential to offset the effects of rising atmospheric CO2.
Unique advantage of our approach lies in determining the impacts of CO2 enrichment since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, and in determining how CO2 impacts may change in the future.
Our approach for studying CO2 relies in using the plants we are studying to create their own CO2 gradient. This approach for manipulating CO2 and the impacts on grassland ecosystems was developed at our laboratory in the late 1980s. The experiment documented here is the third generation of CO2 grading experiments.
To collect soil monoliths, use an open-ended steel box that is 1 meter square and 1 meter deep. The steel must be at least 8 millimeters thick. A base will later be welded on. Press the box down into the desired soil using a hydraulic press secured to the soil by 3 meter-deep helical anchors. After pressing the box into the soil, excavate the surrounding soil with a backhoe, cut the monolith base free from the soil below, and remove the monolith. Place a fiberglass wick against the soil at the base of the box. The wick drains into a 10-liter reservoir attached to the base of the steel box, shown here already welded in place. The reservoir collects water that may drain through the monolith during the experiment, and also provides a means